Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Stripe for WordPress. Integrating Stripe as a payment gateway on your WordPress site significantly enhances its e-commerce capabilities. The platform offers a developer-friendly API and lower transaction fees, which makes it a popular solution for accepting payments online. However, since Stripe does not offer a native plugin to help you accept payments on WordPress, third-party plugins are necessary for integration. This WordPress guide will explore various plugins that facilitate Stripe integration, each tailored to specific needs. Whether you're running an online store, managing bookings, or setting up subscription services to handle recurring payments, these plugins will help you integrate a seamless payment option on your WordPress site. How to obtain Stripe API keys. To accept online payments with Stripe, you must first set up an account with the platform. The process is straightforward. You just need to provide the necessary information during sign-up, including bank account and tax details. After completing the registration, Stripe will issue you a set of live API keys. These credentials enable Stripe integration on your WordPress website through third-party plugins. And here's how to obtain the API keys from your Stripe account. Access your Stripe dashboard while you sign in to your Stripe account and navigate to the Developers section. Locate API keys. Select the API Keys tab in the Developers section to access the list, including their live and test modes. Click on the Reveal Key button next to the corresponding key to display it in plain text. Store the keys securely as they connect your site with your bank account through Stripe Accept Online Payments. If you need to test the payment gateways, you can follow the same steps to reveal and copy test mode key. Make sure you have an SSL certificate installed on your website, as it's securely requirement to start accepting payments. You can buy an SSL certificate from a reputable certificate authority. Alternatively, claim one from hosting provider sites like Hostinger. To accept payments with Stripe on WordPress, we'll be using the Accept Stripe Payments plugin. This free plugin allows you to accept credit card payments and provides the flexibility to sell both digital and physical products. Let's jump into the steps for setting up a Stripe payment gateway for WordPress using this plugin. After installing and activating the plugin, you'll need to configure the Stripe payment gateway for WordPress. And here's how to do it. Access the plugin settings page by clicking on Plugins, Installed Plugins, Stripe Payments, Settings. Or you can go to Stripe Payments, Settings directly from your WordPress dashboard's sidebar menu. Next, go to General Settings tab and scroll down to Credentials section. For live transactions, tick Live Mode checkbox. Enter your Stripe publishable key and Stripe secret key in the respective fields. Scroll to the tab's Currency section and confirm your currency. Next, click on the Email Settings tab and configure features such as sending confirmation emails. After successful transactions, alert emails for failed transactions and sale notification emails. Once you're done configuring the settings, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of each Settings tab. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Integrating Stripe into your WordPress site enhances your online business's payment processing capabilities. While Stripe doesn't offer a native WordPress plugin, several effective third-party plugins bridge this gap. The options we've explored are designed to cater to different business needs, offering user-friendly interfaces and specialized features. They also offer a simple and intuitive setup process that doesn't require you to have technical knowledge. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.